Okay, we're very concerned with the situation in Haiti. We're very pleased that there's a discussion at Security Council this afternoon. We have the violence by the armed gangs, we have the blockade of the port, we have the humanitarian situation, cholera. It really is, as I say in my statement, it's almost a scene from hell, and it needs to be addressed by the Security Council. We're very supportive of the Secretary General's comments about the need to assist the National Police. Work has not started on that particular resolution, but we will look forward to assisting that work when it takes place. Likewise, we're working quite intensely at the moment on a resolution on a sanctions regime. We absolutely understand the need for urgency here, but also the need to get it right. So that's where we are in relation to sanctions, and we will support work on assistance for the National Police Service in due course.
So would Ireland consider sending forces, sending police, sending troops to join this international strike force? And do you have any concerns about this? You say you welcome the Secretary General's proposal, but as we speak, there are people on the streets of Haiti protesting, saying we don't want foreign troops.
Yeah, I'm not going to comment on actual troop commitments or police commitments. We're not at that stage yet. In terms of the situation on the ground, I think what we want is what the people of Haiti need and what they want, and that's very important. And it's very important that when we're designing solutions and resolutions, we take on board their views and their needs as well. So I think that's the balance we're trying to strike here in this work.
Mr. Ambassador,
Yeah.
when are you expecting the sanctions resolution to be voted on?
I know it's not happening today. As I said, it's urgent, but also we need to get it absolutely right and nailed down. So I don't know exactly when there'll be a vote on it. We don't have that information yet, but it won't be today as far as I know.
What message do you hope the Security Council, by this sanctions resolution, if you're able to get it later in the week, will be sending to those gang leaders?
I think I understand it's the first new sanctions regime we'll be putting in place in 5 years, so it's an extremely important message from the Security Council that what they're doing is completely unacceptable, and there will be impunity, there will be accountability, and they will not be allowed to get away with it, and there will be consequences for their actions. It's really important, and it will be a big signal if the Security Council get to that point, and I very much hope they will, and I expect they will, given that it's, as I say, 5 years since we put such a regime in place. Thank you.